Hey everybody, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Waystar Holdings? This is ticker WAY. Now, this stock is actually one that one of our members asked about today in a live webinar that Dan Fitzpatrick and myself were on. And Dan said he loved the fundamental story of this stock. Now, to tell that story, Dan brought in a market surge chart. And if I bring in market surge here, we can see that there's a lot of positives going on fundamentally with Waystar. Over the past 3 quarters, this stock has had triple-digit EPS. You can see this blue line here, the relative strength, or RS line, is in a well-defined uptrend. We can see that they have positive earnings estimates for 2025. And if we go to the weekly section here, we can see that the amount of funds in the stock has doubled since its IPO date. And so more and more funds are getting involved with Waystar. They have increasing earnings and sales, and the stock is, for the most part, in a well-defined uptrend and above all the key moving averages. Now, we do have some market uncertainty and a lot of volatility right now, and so I don't think right now is the time to buy Waystar, but I would look for this stock to continue to consolidate above its 50-day moving average here. So if this stock can just kind of grind sideways and give us a nice base of consolidation, something like that, and then eventually when the market turns around, whenever that might be, it's able to break out of that base of consolidation, I would look at taking a position here in Waystar. And so for an alert level, just to start, I'd probably want to set an alert in and around $44, maybe just under $44. And then what you can do is you can look for this move through $44 coming on volume. And we can see this level has acted as a resistance before. So while the stock chops around and while the market is volatile, I think it would be interesting to keep an eye on this stock, watch for it to consolidate, chop around, and then look for that move through $44 coming on volume. So that's just one of many stocks that we're adding to our watch list as we scope out relative strength in this choppy market. I hope that video is helpful. Check out what we're up to at StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully Dan and I will see you on the other side.